Random game. Random game. Game start.
아파트 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 아파트.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello teacher and friends. So today we want to make a tutorial on how to make a chicken satay from Madura. But before we start our tutorial, we're going to introduce ourselves first.
Hello everyone, my name is Kansa Dilba Putri. My episode number is 12. Hello everyone, my name is Ler Zeron Tulba and my episode number is 13.
Hello everyone, my name is Cipada Putra Kandila and my episode number is 28.
Hello everyone, my name is Naomi Simbolan. My episode number 21.
Enjoy the video!
First of all, we need to wash the chicken breast. The second step, we need to cut the chicken breast into small pieces. The third step is to skewer the chicken breast into the skewers.
The fourth step was the peanut, garlic, chilies, and pepper until clean.
Fifth, pour the oil into the pan and heat it until hot. Sixth, fry the peanut, garlic, chilies, and pepper in medium heat until brown.
To pure the peanuts, garlic, pepper, and chilies with the water, sweet soy sauce, salt, sugar, and chicken stock powder in the blender until smooth.
Marinate the chicken skewered with some sweet soy sauce until distributed. it with the peanut sauce.
So now we're gonna show you guys the result of our chicken satay.
Let's eat it. Cheers. The texture is soft and chewy. How about you, Shiva?
It's so creamy and tender.
And the taste is sweet and spicy.
And delicious.
So that's all about our video.
About how to make a chicken satay.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye bye.